Come on, give me that. Almost. Almost. There we go. On the floor some more. A little more, a little more. Question is now, how do I get this? Is that too far? There we go. It's looking pretty good, actually. Just gotta get under a little bit more. I got to there we go. Now I got a brand new thingamabobber here. I just need to move it down just a little here. I gotta be very careful I don't cut the wires. There we go. I gotta cut the rope that's in here. There we go. I got that all set. I want to put a zip tie on here so it stays there, and this should be good enough to put the back on. Where is the original backing? There it is. Should be enough for a wire on here. Enough room. Oh yeah. Look at that. Nice new cable cover. Perfecto. Yeah. Now let's see which cable goes where. Let's see. Let's check this out. Let's not break this now. Put this in my pocket here. I think I might make it a little bit longer. I think it was out just a little. Let's put this like this. Just a little bit longer. There we go. Now, this piece, the white one goes in here. White one. Then the blue one. Blue, then green. black one on the bottom. Need the white one. And the brown one. And the orange one. So there, not that complicated. $7 on Amazon for the plastic. Got 10 feet of it, and I have a new. I put the cable on there, put this on there. That's looking pretty okay, and it's all good. So I got this on here, like so. That's on there, and it's pretty darn good. Looks pretty good. I could use this brand new shitty back one, but it's the Chinesium ones are kind of sucky. So yeah, I'll put a zip tie in there and I'll fix it up later. So I'll put this on here like so. That fits absolutely perfect. Not a problem. What I will do is I will take these. Where is it? Where are they? Where are they? Down here somewhere. There's one. Get this out of the way. These brand new Chinesium screws. See if they fit in here. See, they fit perfect. I don't know where the other one is. Where's the other one? That'll hold on there good. So got nice brand new screws. This one's, it's an old one. Yeah, it's an old one. Where's the other one? Here's another brand new one. So instead of having rusty old screws, I got brand new ones. Ta-da! There we go. Good as new. Brand new wiring cover. The wire's pretty good. I just got to put a zip tie in there. It should be fine. So with that said, hope everybody enjoyed this somewhat, I don't know, crazy video. See, got this done. I should buy another one of these, put a nice new one on there. Anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, tell your friends, and I'll be doing some more random wiring harness repair, so stay tuned.